Want to activate the FileBird license? If you have a valid license, you will have access to multiple folder themes, such as Dropbox, Windows Model, auto updates when we release a new version, version notices, and more. If you didn't activate the license, the plugin will work fine, but you won't receive any premium perks we offer. If you have installed FileBird on your website but don't know how to activate it, keep watching. Here, we will show you everything you need to know about the FileBird licenses. Welcome to Ninja Team YouTube channel, where we make WordPress easy for everyone. FileBird Premium is sold via Envato. We will leave a link to the plugin in the description for you to check it. If you haven't purchased the plugin yet, it is time to get it. Once you have completed the purchase, go to your profile, then Downloads. There, you can see all the purchased items. Find FileBird from the list if you have multiple downloads. If you click the Download drop-down button, you will see multiple options. If you are a first-time user, we recommend downloading all the plugin files and documentation. On the other hand, if you are ready to move forward as soon as possible, just download the installable WordPress plugin file. If you want, you can also download the purchase code file. The next step is to activate the plugin on a website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Add New Plugins, and upload the file you just downloaded earlier. Once you have installed the plugin, you need to activate it. Once the activation is completed, you can see the plugin settings on the left-hand side. Open it to see the license activation option. Click the Login with Envato button. Now a pop-up will appear. You need to approve the app. Don't worry, you won't be sharing any sensitive information with us. We only check if you have a valid FileBird license. The process will take a couple of seconds. Once the system detects a valid license under your Envato account, you're good. You can successfully activate your FileBird license this way. A valid license will give you access to plugin updates, priority support, custom folder themes, and so on. Next, let's see how you can activate the license in a local or staging environment. By default, FileBird automatically detects localhost, .dev, and .local domains and treats them as staging environments. If you are unsure whether your website is local, we have a checker to help you. We will leave a link to the page in the description. Once you have visited this page, enter your website address and run the checker. If your website is local, it will tell you. You can activate the license as you have seen before. The only difference is that the plugin will be falling under dev domains. This way, you can still use the license on any live domain you like. The number of local installations you can have with FileBird won't be a problem. You can also visit the Ninja Team dashboard to see more info on the license. If you are not seeing any data on the license, you need to resynchronize your Ninja Team with the Envato account. This way, you can fetch the data and see license details inside the Ninja Team dashboard. Another question most people have is how they can transfer the license from Site A to Site B. This is also a simple task. To do this, you can log into Site A and deactivate the license key. Once you have deactivated the license, it should be free. You can verify the same by visiting the Ninja Team dashboard. As you can see, the license appears to be available. Now, you can go to the Site B, upload the FileBird plugin file, and complete the license activation as we showed you before. These are the common confusions people would face while they get started with FileBird. If you have any other questions, you can comment below or contact our support team via email or live chat. We reply to every ticket within 3 hours. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.